I've been reading books and old, the legends and myths. Achille always gold, Ercole and his gifts, a Spiderman's control, a Batman when he fits. Clearly I don't see myself upon that list, but she said, where's wanna go? How much you wanna risk? I'm not looking for somebody with a superhuman gift, some superhero, some find a town bliss. Just something I can turn to, somebody I can kiss. I was something just like this. 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 I've been reading books and all the legends and myths, the testaments they stole, the moon as eclipse, a Superman arose, a sweet before he left, but down a kind of person that it fits. And she said, where wanna go? How much you wanna risk? I'm not looking for somebody with a superhuman gift, some superhero with some final time bliss. Just something I can turn to, somebody I can miss. I was something just like this. I was something just like this. I was something just like this. I was something just like this.